Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share something that every Shopify store needs, and that's an FAQ page. You know, that section where customers quickly find answers to questions like shipping times, return policies, or payment methods. Having a good FAQ saves you time and builds trust with shoppers. Quick heads up before we get started. Our team is offering a YouTube fans exclusive development package. It's a special deal where you save $1,000 compared to the regular price. If you're interested in professional Shopify development help, you'll find the link and discount code in the first comment below. Alright, let's jump in. The first way to create an FAQ page is the classic one. Just use Shopify Pages. Let's go to Shopify Admin, create a page, we'll call it FAQ, and type in the questions and answers. Remember to set it visible. Then link it to your menu so people can find it. It's super straightforward and honestly great if you only need a handful of questions. Plus, it works with any theme. The second way is to use a collapsible section. Most themes already have this feature, sometimes also called an FAQ section. You can put it on other pages or create a separate page just for FAQs. In the theme editor, create a new FAQ template, add the collapsible section, drop in your questions and answers, and boom, you've got a neat, mobile-friendly FAQ that blends perfectly with your store's design. One last step is to create an FAQ page. Let me hide the page we created just now and create a new one. Leave the content empty. Attach the FAQ template you just made, and then link it to your menu. Now your FAQ page is live. But the third method is the one I'm most excited about, and that's using Shopify AI Sidekick. When you're not satisfied with the look of a regular page or collapsible section, you can just tell Sidekick what you want. For example, create a collapsible FAQ with 5 questions and answers, mobile responsive. Sidekick confirms the details, and once you approve, it generates the component and drops it right into your theme. No copy, no paste, nothing technical required. And the cool part is, you can give it more instructions to tweak the design or layout before saving. Just one little heads up. Each time you ask it to modify, it resets the content. So you'll need to re-enter your Q&A. But still, for merchants who want a professional look without coding, it's a real lifesaver. So which method should you go with? If you just want quick and easy, stick with Shopify Pages. If you want a polished look that matches your theme, go with the collapsible panels. And if you're curious about AI and want flexibility without touching code, definitely give Sidekick a try. That's it for today's tutorial. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, drop a comment, and hit subscribe. And remember, the exclusive package I mentioned is waiting for you in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.